introduction, what Rendezvous means meeting with Ray. Now, Mr. Roberts, he is going to explain about Mr. Satyajit Ray. Ray means Satyajit Ray. His full name is Satyajit Ray, born and brought up in Kolkata. So, what is Satyajit Ray's speciality? Now we are going to know. Okay? And we have completed just page number 1 or 2. Just only 3 lines over there in the passage. Bishop Lefroy Road, Kolkata. Ray would invite Roberts over for private screenings of his latest films and welcome comments on them. But this happened only after the friendship had cemented. For in the early days of the dialogue Ray's shyness prevented him from talking about his own films. So Ray is a very shy person, He has a lot of feeling who can't be explained on very clearly. That's why they used to call him Manikada. Manikada means a person who feels shy. Yes, talking about his own films also, Satyajit Ray used to feel shy. Yeah, and Mr. Roberts' 22 years friendship also, even they have a strong bond, even they have a strong relation between them also. Satyajit Ray, even he did not allow Roberts to speak about his films. But when the friendship became very strong, then he started asking his opinion and he used to share the dialogues. Actually, when we used to see the films completely, the similarity which we found with the films of Mr. Satyajit Ray were very different and elaborated in such a way representation. Even though black and white films also, they used to have a lot of uniqueness. That's what Roberts likes in the filmmaking of Mr. Ray. Ray direction is not an easy job. It is the toughest job, I feel. Because, he has to guide a film in such a way that music, even the characters, dialogues, and the concept of the film, everything, center part of the film is director only. The center part of the film is director itself. He's not it. If he has done anything wrong, everything goes wrong. So, for many days also, Satyajit Ray, he did not share his feelings with Roberts, even though they have a strong bondage. But after that, he started talking. But even though, if any compliments will come, Satyajit Ray used to not receive them. It's a very shy person. He did not take anything in a positive manner. Page number 103. He was even shy of receiving compliments, said Roberts. To Roberts, the greatest mark of Ray's appreciation for him was that he often addressed the French-speaking priest in Bengali, in spite of my lack of elegance in that language and the fact that Ray knew both English and Bengali so well. So what Roberts likes in Satyajit Ray is that in his films, the characterization which he has shown, he knew both English and Bengali. Means, even though this film has been released in Bengali, the subtitles, even though they'll be in English, even those he used to take a lot of care on titles also. Director, he did not only impose on characters or anything, he has been taken a lot of care in all aspects. Okay? Ray's screenplay manuscripts were an art by themselves, Robert says, handwritten in Bengali with prompts in English for his set designer, with sketches here and there and occasionally staff notation of fragments of music. See here, even displaying the dialogues, handwritten dialogues. Now graphics are coming, in whatever the font we want, the representation will come, the dialogues will change and everything goes on. Is not it? But those days are not like that. Even everything personally, Mr. Ray used to look after. Even the releasing of titles, subtitles, characterization, music, personally he used to look after them. He used to guide them. One Sunday morning, Roberts found Ray in a disturbed mood. One Sunday, because every Sunday Roberts and Satyajit Ray used to meet. He's not it. So, one Sunday he found Mr. Ray in a disturbed mood. A few well-known personalities of the city had visited him earlier to go through some of his manuscripts. After they left, Ray found the Charulata screenplay missing. Ray was almost sure who the culprit was. I asked him whether he was planning to take any action, and he said no, and explained to me that he did not want to hurt the reputation of the person. I was absolutely stunned by his human concern, said Robert. Actually, such a great man. See, nowadays, great people are great people. They will show their honesty, qualities genuinely, originatedly, right? So one day when he found Mr. Ray in a disturbed mood, he missed the dialogues of Mr. Charulata character in the film. Charulata character screenplay will be now dialogues. What is her character? What situation? What she has to speak? Everything will be in that, no? So that script it was missed. And who was the culprit? Culprit means who is the person? The person has done the wrong thing. Satyajitra knew it. But Robert asked him, are you going to take any action? Then he said, no, I am not going to take any action. Because the mistake is mistake, it has happened. Let it be. Even the screenplay will be written again. See, film industry, when we walk on the way will not be clear to any person. Our destination will be mixed up with all. Right? Some members, when they start walking, they themselves feel that everything should go well. Nowadays it is very difficult. On the path, there are number of disasters. We have to experience them. We have to experience them. It is highly impossible. It is highly impossible. We must not gain off. We must not gain on. It is highly impossible. That's what. Here also, Mr. Ray felt the same. On the way of his film journey, as a director, he has faced a number of obstacles. Because as the other directors opposement and also there is a lot of controversy, many things may happen. He faced all the things, but he did not want to show his revenge or action on them. So that's why even though Charulata's character's script also when he lost, he did not disappoint. Even though by knowing the culprit who has missed it also, he has excused him. That's what the greatness of Mr. Ray. Like Rabindranath Tagore, Ray stored his time like a colossus. Roberts writes, it is as if all Bengal was in Manikada. The rich and the poor, the powerful and the humble, the peasants and the city persons, children, teenagers, adults, old people, men and women. See here, what a great word about Mr. Ray. Roberts writes, it is as if Bengal was in Manikada. The rich and the poor, to rich people and the poor people, and humble people, proud people, adults, teenagers, children, grown-ups. See here, everybody, they like the film of Mr. Ray. Everybody they can watch. There is no vulgarity, there is no indifference, there is no violence. Everything is natural. That's what the specialty of Mr. Ray. Philosophically, too, Roberts feels Ray took off where Tagore signed out. Even Rabindranath Tagore also, he appreciated the films of Mr. Ray. And if one compares the last major prose piece by Tagore, Shabyatar Sankat, Crisis of Civilization. It was in Bengali, Shabyatar Sankat. It was in Bengali, Shabyatar Sankat. Okay, and we can say that crisis of civilization. What is civilization? Change in the society. Change the way the people thinking, changing with the modern methods of the present society. That change is called civilization. So they have shown in the films, and the center part of the film he had taken and he had directed, Satyajit, which he wrote at the beginning of the Second World War, at the time of Second World War, which contains his immortal dictum that in spite of what was happening, it would be a sin to lose faith in man. What is sin? A mistake was done by the man, right? So, in humanity, how it was developing. Why this World War, First World War, Second World War we have done? But many people, they lost their lives. What is useful with that? What is the useful with that? Why it has to be impacted? Why it has to be done? And the last 3 films of Ray, Ganshatru, Shakshapraksha and Agnatak, the analogy becomes clear. So last 3 films, Satyajit Ray, last 3 films. In these 3 films, Ray was at his most personal when some priceless critics saw the films as a didactic and verbose. He felt deeply hurt. But when he had released his films, when he has released the films, Ganashatru, Shakshapraksha and Agnatak, these 3 films from many great critics, he had got comments. Means Ray's writings were very different, about some personalities he's talking. So many of the comments had come. He faced all of those in a positive manner. Satyajit Ray's specialty. Even though the critics when they had, nowadays if any film releases, pre-release event and the comments on the film, everything used to come. It's not it. But those days it is not like that. Whatever the people has to speak. What is that film? People has to speak on that. And verbose he felt deeply hurt. For in these last films, Satyajit Ray was directly talking to us. Satyajit Ray was directly talking to us, conveying his personal message on society and civilization. But after that, Satyajit Ray directly talking. Means 3 films also, 3 films, even though the critics they commented in a wrong way. But Satyajit Ray, he did not stop. He didn't stop and he started giving message about society and civilization. What change should come in the society? Those days we did not get independence also. Some films which were directed by Mr. Satyajit Ray, they have been directed in the year before we got independence. Our Indian situation, what is our Indian economy, what is the living style of Indian people, what is Indian politics, what is happening in the society, how the change has to come in a form of civilization. Everything he has shown in these films. Even though the comments and the critics had spoke wrongly about the films of Mr. Satyajit Ray also, he didn't stop. He didn't stop. He started continuing giving messages through his films. And if the impulse that motivated his earlier films were aesthetics, and in the last 3 films it was self-expression. So last 3 films were his self-imagination and expression. And they were denying his right to speak. As the saying goes, no one is prophet in one's own country, said Roberts. An agnostic thought of his life, it is possible Roberts feels. That is, in the face of death, Ray was searching for an answer. This was suggested by some of the music that he used in Shakshapraksha. Okay? And the last time the 2 friends met, Ray was in hospital on his deathbed. So, even though many people they started talking, last 3 films, he didn't talk. Critics, personalities, politician pressure, everything has come also. Satyajit Ray didn't stop. He started moving on. He has started showing in his films his best. So, the last meeting to Mr. Roberts and Satyajit Ray was his deathbed. Okay? And it was a Sunday. That was Sunday. And Roberts, true to habit, arrived on the dot at 9 a.m. He had grown to so weak that he looked frail as a child. I did not stay long. As I was leaving, Manikada said, "Bhalo laglo." It was nice. Bhalo laglo means in Bengali, it was nice. Those were his last words to me, said Roberts. Those were last words. 22 years of friendship. That to a Canadian. See, a foreigner who liked our Indian director. What a greatness we got. How clearly, say, foreigners talking about our Indian man. That's what our Indian specialty. So, the last words of Mr. Ray was, "Bhalo laglo." Means it was very nice. It's very nice to meet you. A long journey. Those were the last words of Mr. Ray to Mr. Roberts. One important fallout of his friendship was the establishment of Chitrabani, a communication and film institute. Chitrabani, a communication and film institute. Film institute in the sense, actors will be they will be trained. The first of kind in West Bengal, which Robert founded in 1970, and to which Ray, as a token of friendship, lent his name as co-founder. Actually, as a co-founder, it was established by both of them. Mr. Ray and Robert, both they have established this. Okay? Chitramani. What was the name of the institute? Chitramani Film Institute. They started in Kolkata. Okay, in West Bengal they started. Director and co-director will be Robert and Ray only. Ray was in first governing body and after a few terms readily agreed to be the institute's advisor. Ray, he was an advisor and one of the founder. Robert arranged most of the initial funding from Canadian agencies. So, to start that institute, to start the film institute, the funds Robert only has collected from Canadian agencies. From Canadian agencies he has collected. I had no reservations applying for them. For I feel richer countries in the West are indebted to countries like India. He said, see here, I had no reservations applying for them. Reservations. Yeah, reservations. Rich man, poor man. Caste. Caste name when it comes, you know. See what a beautiful word he spoke. He didn't mention, I'm sorry to mention the caste, word caste, because he said a word called I had no reservations. Because Satyajit Ray, he didn't get help from our Indian government. That's why Robert only has helped him. He got funds from Canada. That's why he started a film institute. But Satyajit Ray, he did not get any help from our Indian government. Because his reservations here. Reservations, support, caste, everything will come. But there is no kind of such thing there. That's why I started. And we indebted to countries like India. He said, so Indian Institute had welcomed it. That's why he was saying that he was indebted. For 26 years, Robert was the director of Chitramani. 26 years he has run the Institute of Chitramani, Film Institute. Under him, the institute not only produced important documentary features, documentary films. Most of the films of Satyajit Ray were documentary films only. Of course, documentary films. Now we are going to see the series, no? Series 1, Series 2. It's not that. Like that, those days documentaries are very, very famous. Till today, if you open, you know, you will find number of movies of Mr. Satyajit Ray. 100% beautiful movies. But black and white films. But even though they are very good and funny. But also became breeding ground for local talent for film making. But the Chitramani has got a lot of popularity and Indian film got an identity in West Bengal. In filmmaking, it had got a good establishment. It had got a good establishment and local talent. Local talent, that too in the language of Bengali, got only because of Satyajit Ray. Bengali movies means in those days, you know, every Sunday in olden days we used to get movies. Sundays. Rarely Telugu movies used to come, but Telugu, Tamil, Malayali, Bengali, Gujarati, all the movies used to come, Hindi, all the movies used to come. Bengali movies means the only one person name it comes, that is Satyajit Ray. Yeah, there is no other option. He is the man who has got a popularity in Bengali. That too Chitramani Film Institute for 26 years. Even though the death of Mr. Ray in 1992 he was died, Mr. Robert has run the Film Institute and local talent had got a popularity. Okay students, this is the bio sketch of Mr. Satyajit Ray. I think you got to know about Mr. A.Y., a wonderful great director in the language of Bengali. Mr. Satyajit Ray, how he got an establishment, what a meeting with Mr. Roberts and Ray, how he got a popularity, what are his qualities, how he has run the films about civilization. Even though the critics had commented also, he did not stop and he did not accept any awards or rewards. Even he get the award after his death, the national award. The man who received the first national award in filmmaking is none other than, very proud to say, our Indian director, that too in the language of Bengali, is none other than Mr. Satyajit Ray. Okay? So, here we have come to the end of our lesson. So, what your work is that you should write glossary, and question answers of 4A in class 4. Every time I am telling you, most of you are half knowledge is a dangerous thing. Even though we don't know anything else, it's not a problem. But half of if you mention it, it will be very dangerous. When we are correcting notes, we had come across with number of problems that you are writing some units, you are missing them. Maintain every time after explanation. If you start, that would be better. Hectic work at a time, there will be no much pressure to you. It will be relevance. It will be a great one. After every lesson, write glossary. Sorry, new words also. New words, glossary and question answers enough to write. Okay, I hope you will write. Thank you, students. Be careful at home. Stay healthy and wear mask when you go out. Thank you so much. We'll meet in our next class.